Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're looking at the one and only Endy Mattress. If you're anything like me, you've been searching for the best mattress in a box in Canada, and the Endy is probably already on your list. I finally got my hands on the medium firm version, and honestly, I was impressed. It's super supportive without being stiff. It's cool enough, and seriously, I barely feel my partner moving next to me. Today, we're gonna dive deep. I'll break down the materials, tell you what the different firmness options actually feel like, walk you through the real performance scores, and help you decide if the Endy is truly worth your hard-earned money. So let's jump right in. First, a quick note on the brand. Endy is 100% Canadian. They design and manufacture right here, which is awesome. They've built their reputation on making high quality foam mattresses that stay temperature neutral. We're talking over 1 million happy sleepers and 30,000 5-star reviews. They even won Best All Foam Mattress in Canada, so you know they deliver on comfort and quality. What's really cool is that Endy now comes in 3 feels: firm, 9 inches thick, great for back and stomach sleepers who need that extra pushback; medium firm, 10 inches thick. This is their bestseller for a reason. It's super versatile for all sleeping positions, and in my opinion, it feels like a comfortable 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale. Plush, 11 inches thick. This is the best option for side sleepers who want more cushioning. Let's quickly look at what's inside the medium firm model. First, micro quilted cover. It's soft, breathable, and the best part, it zips right off and is machine washable. Second, Endy Comfort Foam. This top layer has a cooling gel infused right in it. It's responsive, meaning you won't get that stuck feeling. Third, Transition Foam. This middle layer is the secret weapon for pressure relief and reducing motion transfer. Fourth, Support Foam, the high-density base layer that ensures your mattress lasts for years. Buying the queen size starts at a very friendly $895. Shipping is free across most of Canada, arriving right at your door via FedEx. And check this out, you get a massive 365-night sleep trial. This is way beyond the usual 100 nights, giving you a full year to fall in love with it. Plus, it comes with a strong 15-year warranty. Setup is easy. Unbox it, unroll it, and watch it expand. It's also hypoallergenic and latex-free, which is a nice bonus if you have sensitivities. I took the guesswork out of buying by running this mattress through our lab test. Here's how it scored. Motion isolation, 9.6 out of 10. This is where the Endy truly shines. The 9.6 score is incredible for an all-foam bed. If you sleep with a restless partner or a pet, that transition foam layer makes a huge difference. You seriously won't feel a thing. Edge support, 9.7 out of 10. Okay, this score shocked me. All foam beds usually sag on the sides, but the Endy scored a brilliant 9.7. The dense support layers mean you can sit on the edge or sleep right up to the perimeter without feeling like you're falling off. Temperature control, 9.3 out of 10. The gel-infused foam does a great job of keeping the surface cooler than typical foams, and the great feature is that the foam stays temperature neutral. It won't get super hard in the winter or too soft in the summer. Overall feel, as I mentioned, it sits right at a medium firm 6 out of 10. It feels supportive and responsive, but still comfortable. I love that I feel aligned on my back and supported on my side without sinking in too deep. Let's talk money. A queen Endy at $895 is incredibly competitive. It's positioned as one of the most budget-friendly foam options in Canada, and yet it still delivers a top-tier performance in motion isolation and pressure relief. When you factor in the low price, the long trial, and the 15-year warranty, the value here is simply outstanding for anyone on a budget who wants a reliable, hassle-free bed. Some quick comparisons: Endy versus Silk and Snow Hybrid. The Hybrid has better airflow, but Endy wins on motion isolation and price. Endy versus Logan & Cove. Logan & Cove is more plush and luxurious, but Endy gives you most of that comfort at a much lower cost. Endy versus Douglas Original. Douglas might offer slightly better cooling, but if isolating motion for you and a partner is your top priority, the Endy is the clear winner. So you should definitely check out the Endy if you are a side sleeper or need a great pressure relief, sleep with a partner and need fantastic motion isolation, are a budget-conscious Canadian looking for max value, want a hassle-free Canadian-made mattress with a 365-night trial, but skip if you love that deep, low, sinking hug of a traditional memory foam, sleep extremely hot, a hybrid or innerspring would be better, or are a heavier sleeper over 230 pounds who might sink in through the foam layers. So wrapping this up, the Endy medium firm mattress really surprised me. For an all foam mattress under $900, it gives you shockingly high quality support, that incredible motion isolation, and seriously reliable edge support. It keeps sleepers cool, is super comfortable across most positions, and honestly, it surpassed all my expectations for a budget-friendly foam bed. If you're looking for that perfect mix of support, comfort, and a great price from a trusted Canadian brand, the Endy is absolutely worth checking out. I'll leave links in the description below if you want to see the most current deals. And if you want me to compare this with any other Canadian mattress, just drop a comment below. As always, if this video helped you out at all, we would seriously appreciate a like and a subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Sleep well, my friends. I'll see you in the next one.